We are at 72 Hamilton Street in Cambridge, and that's the staircase. It's a one flight up to get to Unit 8, and that door that you see there is the back entrance into the building. So you go up one flight of stairs, take a right, and apartment 8 is on the right. So here we are. As you walk in, you walk into the living room, kitchen area, and it is a 2-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom apartment. So on the first floor you have coat closet right as you walk in. And then there's half a bath right here as well, which is a great layout if you're entertaining because everything is on this level. Living room, kitchen. There are 3 decks in this apartment, and you can see the kitchen is renovated with stainless steel appliances. You have this island here with extra storage. It's very good storage for the kitchen. You can put some chairs there, use it as a breakfast bar like these tenants did. And you can see there's just great cabinet space. And then the stove is 5-burner gas stove. It's the microwave. There's under cabinet lighting, as you can see. It's a nice feature. And it is hardwood floors throughout the apartment. There's also central air conditioning, high ceilings. And it is a duplex. So the 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms are upstairs. And the living room is facing the back of the building. And this is one of the 3 decks. And this is where the parking is behind the building. And those stairs that you see down below is the entrance into the building. Alright, so here's the lower level again. Let's see, really pretty apartment. Lower level again from this side. It's very large, very spacious. And then the staircase takes us to the 2nd floor of the apartment. And this is the top floor. There's nobody else above. So you have the skylights here. There's skylights throughout the upper level of the apartment. This is the master bedroom. You have 2 closets here. It's perfect if you want to set it up as his and hers. Here's the master bathroom. There's a shower right here and a tub. There's another skylight. And it's all nice, renovated, very well kept. This bedroom can easily fit a king-size bed. I believe this is a queen, but you can tell the king will fit without any issues. And here is the 2nd deck. The decks are separated by these flower boxes here. And again, it's facing the back of the building. And you get really excellent natural light throughout the day in the apartment because the side of the building is pretty unobstructed, so you get really good natural light. So that's the staircase we came from. And here we have washer and dryer in the hallway. Stackable This door is just a water heater. And here's the second full bath. Again, you have a shower here as well. It's a little bit smaller, but it's a standard bathroom. And this is the second bedroom. And again, it can definitely fit a king-size bed if you wanted. And I think it is a queen. There are also 2 closets in this bedroom. And here we have the third deck. So there's no shortage of outdoor space. Looks like there's a little garden here. And again, this side is unobstructed, so you will get excellent natural light. And here's the living room again. We're at 72 Hamilton Street, and we're going to take a look at common areas in the building. So this is the parking lot that comes with the building, and there is direct access into the building from the parking. So this is the back door. When you walk in, this is the staircase that takes you to the units on the upper floor. And on the first floor, you have more apartments. There's some units right there. And additional storage is downstairs in the spare room. So over here you have bike storage. People leave their strollers and everything in here. And some of the units, the upstairs units, have additional storage downstairs here. Alright, and this way is the front door. So this is the front entrance to 72 Hamilton, and you have the mailboxes inside. There's the entrance, there's intercom. And across the street there is the Good News Garage. It's a pretty famous garage. They have their talk show on the radio. And here we are at 72 Hamilton. And this is the driveway off Hamilton Street to go park behind the buildings. It's right there.